Hello, grade 9 students. This first presentation is going to run you through how to do numbers 1 through 4 on this assignment. So, let's take a look at number 1. And I'm really just showing you here what your completed assignment should look like after you complete number 1, number 2, and number 3. Let's take a closer look. Number 1, you see that a librarian's initials are in the space. This would indicate that you found the correct book on the shelf and you brought it to one of the librarians who then initialed it. Number 2, you'll notice that the bibliography entry has been printed in the space below the model. And again, the librarian's initials are there to indicate that the bibliographic citation has been done correctly. So the librarian has to check it. One of the librarians has to look at it and make sure that you have arranged all the information correctly. And then it will be initialed as correct. Same with number 3. You go to the shelving area where reference books are shelved, you pick the correct one, and you bring it to one of the librarians who will then put their initials on the sheet. So that's what 1, 2, and 3 should look like if you believe that you are completed with that section of the assignment. Now let's look at 4A. 4A is asking you to go to a website called learn.xbhs.com. And this is what it looks like right here. When you go to that website, you come to a page that looks like this. It's the startup page for the Ruth Kennedy Library at Xaverian Brothers High School. And in that example, 4A, you're being asked to do an author search. We give you the author's name. Here, the author's name is Arthur Bryant, and we want you to enter it the same way that we've given it to you, and then you do the author search. So how do you do this? Follow the steps in the directions. Search the Ruth Kennedy Library. So I'm going to click on the XB logo right here, and it's going to bring me to a search page. Notice there are a number of buttons. I've been told I'm going to do an author search, and I'm going to type the name in exactly the way it was given to me, and I'm going to click on author. I am not going to press enter. Pressing enter will give you the wrong results. You have to select author. So I do the author search. Now let's go back to the assignment sheet. And I'm asked to put in how many materials we have that are written by that author. We have 2. Go back to that page. You see that there are 2 there. So I'm going to write 2 in that location. And then let's go to the next part of 4. The next part of 4 is asking us to do a title search, and everyone is given a different term. This sheet has the term Yankees. So let's go back. I'm told to select the Catalog tab. I'm back to a blank page. I type in Yankees, and I select title. Again, do not select enter. I select title, and I find out that we have 1 book in our library that deals with the Yankees. And so I write that down. I write down the number 1. Numbers 1 through 4 are the easiest parts of this assignment. And hopefully your page will look something like this when you complete it. Thank you for paying attention, and I strongly suggest that you watch the other presentations before you do the more difficult parts of this assignment. Thank you.